Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I will be telling you about the SAP HANA SQL function, and this tutorial will only cover the function starts with A. And in the next tutorial, I will be telling you about B. So starting with the function, and I will be covering those are ABAP upper, ABAP lower, ABS, add days, add month last, add seconds, add years, and Ascii. Now I will be giving you this example and I will be executing here so that you can see and understand how it works. So the first one is the ABAP upper. So it means it just simply it makes the string to uppercase. Let me execute and see the data. So if I execute this, you can see that it has converted into uppercase. Similar to that ABAP lower, so it makes the string into lowercase. So let me execute this. So you can see that the string has converted into lowercase. Now going to the third option, that is ABS. This is actually absolute number, meaning that suppose you have a value with minus, then it will show the absolute value. Just let me execute this. Select ABS and you can see that value is now 50 because it is showing the absolute value. Now coming to next option, next function, that is the add days. Add days meaning that it will add the whatever value you put here, like you can put current date or any specific date, and then it will add the days here, and the days can be plus minus. I can add plus days, or if you want to add minus 15, you can put minus 15. So let me show you with this plus value. So if I execute this, you can see this. So it was 1st of January added with 15 days, so 16th of January. So on the other hand, if I make the minus, means reducing the date with 15 days, so it can also work and it will show the result accordingly. And you can see this, so it has it has done this minus for 15 days. Now going to the next function, that is add months. So similar to add days, so add months meaning that it will add the month whatever value you put here. So here you have a value and you are putting 2. Just let me execute this. So this is a 1st of January and it will become 1st of March. So similar that you can also make negative. You can reduce the value if you want, like this. Let me just execute this here. And you can see that it has reduced by 2 months. Now coming to the next function, that is the add months last. And here very important fact that you need to understand between add months and add month last. Suppose you have a specific requirement where you want to change the last date. Suppose I'm giving the example here. So this is the 1st of March and you are increasing by 1 month. So it will show the next month value, next month end value actually. So here the next month is here 29 of February. In general cases, you should use this function add months, so which will increase the value by 1 month like this. But if you have a requirement where you are actually changing or showing the value of the last day of the month, then you should use this option. Now the next option is add seconds. So add seconds is just adding second value here, seconds, so you can make positive and negative whatever you want. Just let me execute this. So here this 1 hour 3600 seconds, meaning 1 hour is added. It was 1:30, now it is become 2:30. Now add years, so similar to those all previous function, add years, also adding years here. You can make positive negative as well. So here I'm adding 10 years in this statement, and you can see the value is now 2030. Now the last one of this tutorial is the Ascii. Ascii is will show the Ascii value. Ascii, I mean integer value for the first character. Here SAP is the string value here, and if I execute this, it will show the Ascii value for S, and that is, if I execute it, it is 83. So an Ascii is a standard chart from where this data is getting derived. So that's all about this tutorial, and I have covered only the function with A, and in the next tutorial I will cover B and C like that. So thank you for watching, and also please look into the other tutorials. I have given the links in the video description. Thank you.